If you're looking to track calls, emails, and messages automatically without having to switch between multiple apps or manually enter data, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple and efficient way to do this using a single software that combines all these tracking features seamlessly. Now, you've probably tried a few popular software tools out there, but many can be expensive or don't quite give you the integration you need. Well, today I'm going to save you some time by showing you a tool that does all of this with a streamlined approach. And as a bonus, I've got an exclusive free trial for you. Just click the link in the description below if you want to follow along with the exact software we'll be using. First, let's start with tracking calls. Whether you're getting calls through your business phone system or through an app, this software allows you to track and log every call automatically. It syncs with your phone service and even provides a record of every call, so you don't need to remember to add it manually. It also makes it super easy to note the call details and follow up, all without lifting a finger. Next, emails. Most CRM systems will track emails, but this software goes beyond that. It automatically detects when an email is sent or received, then logs it with all relevant details like timestamps, sender information, and the content of the message. If you're using Gmail or another major email provider, it syncs easily with your account so you can have an all-in-one view of your communication. Now, let's talk about messages. Whether it's SMS or messaging apps like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, this software integrates seamlessly with a lot of popular messaging platforms. It logs each conversation automatically and organizes it in a clean dashboard, which makes it super easy to track your interactions. Plus, it can remind you when to follow up so you never miss an important message again. The best part? It's all done automatically. You don't have to manually enter data into your system or worry about missing a call, email, or message. Everything is tracked for you and it syncs in real time, so you're always up to date. Now, you might be wondering about the price. I know it can be tricky finding a tool that offers this much functionality at a reasonable price. The software we're using today is a great option because it's affordable and comes with a ton of features, including automatic tracking for calls, emails, and messages. And remember, the free trial I mentioned earlier is exclusive to you, my viewers, so you can test it out risk-free. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. We've shown you how to automatically track calls, emails, and messages in one place. Whether it's syncing with your phone system, email account, or messaging platforms, this software takes care of it all. You're saving time, reducing errors, and improving your follow-ups without the hassle of doing everything manually. So, the key takeaway here is that tracking calls, emails, and messages automatically is not only possible, but it's also incredibly easy with the right software. Be sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description to start following along. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below to get started with the free trial.